What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Jake the dog from Adventure Time. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a small oval for the nose. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top, all the way around, and then back up. And we want to fill the inside of the nose in black. From the outside of the nose, draw a curve coming down and then bending that out towards the side. Go back to the left side, just going to wrap this around, go up above the nose, come down along the right side, and then round this out. Just underneath the nose, we're going to add a curve for the mouth, coming down and up. And I'll add 3 small teeth. Let's start with one in the middle, coming down and up, and then one more along the side. Let's move down, add a curve for the mouth, coming down and then up. Along the bottom, add a curve for the tongue. And then just underneath the mouth, we're going to add a curve for the lower lip. Let's go back up to the top and draw 2 large circles for the eyes tucked in behind. So we're going to start on the left. We're going to go all the way around, come down the side, and then back in. Let's line this up on the right. Going up, go all the way around, and then in. Let's add a thick trim along the bottom left. Starting from the top, coming all the way around, pull it in towards the side. Go up to the top right eye, going down, round this out, and go up. Let's fill that left side area in black. Now from the outside of the eyes, we're going to step out and draw 2 straight lines coming down towards the arms. So let's start on the left side, coming down to right about there. So these are 2 short lines along the side of the head. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the arm. We're going to bend this out, come all the way around, and then in towards the hip. Let's curl 3 fingers along the inside. So start on the left, going all the way around, and then back out. Now on the inside, I'm going to add the 2nd finger, coming in and then out. And then the 3rd finger, come in and then down towards the wrist. Let's do the same thing on the right. From the wrist, we're going to follow that same curve along the inside of the arm. Going all the way around and in towards this line. Draw a straight line coming down towards the hands. Let's go back up and draw on the ears. From the side of the head, curve this around, up, and then in. Bend this up. Now you want to round out the head, and then bring that down towards the right side. Now I want to do the same thing with the ear. Just going to bend this out, come around, and then in. Now I'm going to line up the side of the body underneath the hand, curve this down, and then in towards the legs. From the hips, bend the leg, going out and back in towards the bottom. Let's add in the foot. We're going to go out, come all the way around, and then in towards the heel. Now round out the heel, follow that same curved leg going up towards the body. Let's close off the body with a curve. We're just going to follow this all the way across the bottom. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Jake the dog from Adventure Time. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.